122 verified customers rating this product. LCD screen. Backlit LCD display allows you to see what stitch you are on easily. Use the directional buttons to choose stitches and adjust stitch width and length. Stitches. 30 stitches, 6 one-step buttonholes. Easy reverse button. The reverse button allows you to easily backstitch for locking seams. With the tip of your finger, this conveniently located button can also be used to stop a stitch pattern before its completion. Top-loading full rotary hook bobbin. The advantage of easy drop-in, top-load bobbins is that you can readily see how much thread is left on the bobbin through the window. Pros. Best for beginners. Saves time. Silent machine. Durable with low maintenance. Friendly features. Easy to operate. Cons. Doesn't come with a carrying case. Not portable. Bad quality LED lighting. If you want to know more about Janome 7330 Magnolia Computerized Sewing Machine, then go to www.computerizedsewingmachines.com, post link in the description, check it out.